Here are my 5 things nature quietly teaches us about well-being. Something I've really learnt from nature is that she doesn't rush. Everything has its own timing. There are seasons for growth and seasons for rest, and both matter. I've also noticed that nothing in nature exists in isolation. Everything is interconnected and interdependent. And when one part is out of balance, it affects the whole. We are no different. And then there's the cycles. Nature is constantly letting go and renewing. So what we often see as endings are actually part of something new beginning. For me, one of the biggest shifts has been realizing that we're not separate from nature. We are a part of her, and when we reconnect with that, something in us settles. And, maybe most importantly, nature doesn't force anything. She responds, adapts, and unfolds. There's a gentler way to grow if we are willing to listen.